Marvel Rivals error code 10 means the game can't connect. Here's how to fix it. First, check if Marvel Rivals servers are down right now. Type down detector, Marvel Rivals. First link. If the servers are down, wait it out. Nothing you do will fix the server outage. Servers up, no reported outage, restart your router. Unplug it, wait 30 seconds, plug it back in, relaunch Marvel Rivals, and try to log in. Try it now. If that fixed it, drop a comment saying fixed. If error code 10 is still there, on Steam, right-click Marvel Rivals, hit Properties, open Installed Files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will replace anything corrupted, relaunch when it's done. Try it now. If it's still not working, your firewall is probably blocking Marvel Rivals. Open Windows Security, go to Firewall and Network Protection, click Allow an app through Firewall, change settings, allow another app, browse, find your Marvel Rivals path, select it, add, make sure both private and public boxes are checked. This looks like a lot of steps, but it won't change anything else on your PC. Try it now. If that didn't get it, switch your DNS to Google servers. On PC, open Network Settings, click your connection, hit Properties, DNS Server Assignment, Manual, IPv4, 8.8.8.8, alternate 8.8.4.4. Hit Save. On PS5, go to Settings, Network, set up Internet connection, select your network, hit Advanced, set DNS to Manual, enter those same numbers. Relaunch the game, try it now. Marvel Rivals should load straight in. You're good. Drop a comment saying fixed. If error code 10 is still showing, tell me what platform you're on and I'll help you out.